You know we can't mix like water and oil. Ain't mixing this liquor, I might drown. Mixed emotions got me bugging, but my blood it won't boil. Been mixing up codeine, running out. You know we can't mix like water and oil. Mixing up gal, they run me down. Mixing up friends, get you gunned down. You know we can't mix like water and oil. You know we can't mix.
I had the best nightclub, no cover.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir, I am promoter. I had the best nightclub. Full party, full people, music, Afrobeat.
Oh.
My friend, check it out. One opportunity, no cover. Free chop tequila.
Okay. Espérate.
Welcome to Larias Park, the place where you will be greeted by girls, homeless people, and club promoters. Now, a homeless man approached my cousin saying that he needs help to support his family, and cousin did the right thing, doing his good deed for the day, helped him out, bought what he needed at the shop for him before we started our night. Now, one thing that you need to understand about April is that it is the rainy season. So if you're stepping out, please purchase an umbrella. You're gonna need that. It will be hot, but it also will be raining and have thunderstorms. So as you can see, this club promoter walking us around right now, he has an umbrella for obvious reasons. Now, unfortunately, Larias Park at this moment of time was quite dead. Even though there was quite a lot of people outside the club, inside the club, there wasn't much going on. So after we did a lap around Larias Park and we realized there wasn't really much on the strip for us, we were then approached by a cab driver who told us that he knew a better place for us to go to. So me and Kazi jumped in the cab, we headed down to this spot and said, oh, you know what, we'll check it out. What else have we got to lose, you know? Unfortunately, there was a turn of events. You wouldn't have believed it. If I could have recorded what went on within this club, you lot would not have believed it. But I guess that story will be for another time.
I already told you, we keep this stuff simple, man. We in, we out.
Basically, the night was alright.
The night?
Let me just tell niggas, let them know, really, yeah? I just paid £400 for a bottle of Don Julio and fucking 2 shishas. Cool, it's a club where they've got loads of girls in their arse out, but we didn't come for that. We just come to have a little cool night, chill out. I was paying fucking $4. So cool, that's the economy, but it's alright because we can afford it. But that's a bit mad, $4.
Money day!
I didn't even see that I like. If I saw something I like, I'd be like, you know what, I saw something I like. Cool.
I already told this guy, yeah, stop looking for certain things in the wrong places, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
We came here looking for Caribbean food.
We came here to chill.
You were looking at Italian food.
Man, I'm talking about fucking $4. When the bill came in, you know, like at first, yeah, when I saw the price, yeah, I thought it was like £20. I said, cool, 20 pounds, I'll take that. Give me 2. Brother, it weren't £20, it was £200. I was like, alright, cool. Obviously the bills come up, handle it like a man, there's no problem. But in my head it's like, bro, they're making a lot of money in this club. I say it for free. They're making £400 in this spot. That is madness. £400 from a nigga like me. And we've been here for 1 hour.
Crazy work. Look at that.
£400.
Oh,
these lot are up, trust me. These lot are making mills. They're making mills. $4.
They're making a
whole
lot of money, bro.
Listen, for a bottle of tequila that we got in a supermarket that costs what, £30? I paid £200 for that. Yeah. Hey, listen, you see the economy out here, the economy global, it's a pandemic. Because niggas are charging £200 for a bottle of Reposado. I'm lucky I didn't get the fucking, the 1942. Because I was looking at 1942 and I thought, what, it's £35? 1942 would have cost me a good £400. And then I would have ended up getting 2. Then I would have been paying £1,000 there and up because we got 2 shishas, that was 100. The driver, I got him a shisha because I thought I ain't gonna share with you, bro. I'll get your own thing.
Nah, good.
That's £100.
¡Ey!
Yeah, he said,
¡Oye! ¿Qué pasa con los parceros, mi niño?
come, let's go.
¡Me hallo!
Mi boy, mi casa.
¡Son los putas!
Know me, I keep it easy, man. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I just like the simple, like pure vibe of good energy, you know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, Mr. Party Boy here, you want to enjoy Colombia to the fullest.
So, had a good night out. I'm in Colombia, Medellin, see? And yeah, we went to this club. The bro is the driver and he said, yeah, cool, this is the place you want to go. We went there, ordered a bottle of Don Julio, because if you know me, you know that's all I drink. I'm not really a drinker, but if I'm gonna drink something, that's what I'm gonna drink. Yeah? Cool. Drank that, and it said on the bill 120. So I'm thinking, what, 120 pesos? Go Google what 120 pesos is right now. Google what 120 pesos is right now, Colombian pesos. So I thought to myself, what? Okay, cool. No problem, let me get one. Ordered bro a shisha because I'm like, cool, I don't really smoke shisha, but I thought, you know what? I'll smoke a shisha in the club because I don't really do nothing else, so why not? So I got one for me, one for him, because I ain't gonna share with him. I ain't gonna change the filter, fuck that. I'll get you one, I'll give you a good time, and you have a good night. You can drink the drink with me, yeah? Because my cousin at the back, he don't drink. So I said, alright, cool. 4 bills.
That's what I'm gonna be hearing on the way home. 4 bills. And this guy's gonna spend more money, he's gonna watch it.
I don't know.
Alright, cuz, where you going?
We're going back to the strip.
Oh, we're going back to the strip?
Yeah.
You won't spend enough 4 bills? How you gonna get into the club with that drink on you? Got that Don Julio, bro.
Don Julio?
You got that Don Julio. You hear me knocking? Let me in!
When the bill comes, obviously it turns out the place is full of brasses. If you don't know what a brass is a prostitute. So I'm like, okay, we're here now. We came kind of far for this place. I could just have drinks and just chill. Yeah, I'm not interested in no brass, so I'll just chill. Didn't have nothing, just drank my drink, smoked my little hookah. I said, let me pay for the bill. The bill came up to £420. Now, luckily for me, I'm a trader, so it's not a problem, okay? But £420 for a bottle of Don Julio, the same Don Julio I got in my house that I bought in the supermarket for £20, I'm now paying 10 times the price. I'm paying 10 times the price inside the club, which I understand it's a club, you gotta pay a bit more, no problem. 10 times? And I'm paying £100 for the shisha, so I paid £400 for the night. Guys, let me know in the comment section below. Would you pay £400 for a night that you're not satisfied with? 'Cause to me, I think that's a bump. I think that's extortion. I think I've come to Colombia and got robbed. I got robbed. I should have paid 150. Even if I paid 200, 200 is alright. You can charge to the game. My boy over here, he's happy because he got a commission because he took us to the club. They paid him a commission. He's alright. In my head, see, selecto. Well, they paid us. They charged me £400. £400. Let me tell you this: if you're thinking about coming to Colombia, do not come here if you're not prepared to spend some money. Luckily, I am, so it's cool. I call it a night, but £400 for a night that I'm not even satisfied with. I didn't have a crazy night. I didn't have a great night. The hospitality weren't great. I didn't see no dances and. It's just fucking whores just walking around. I don't care about no whore. I ain't paying for no whore. So yeah, that's it. 4 bills. Wrapped over. Provenza. See. Now we're at Provenza. It's where the clubs are usually popping. Clubs are popping here. Let's see if we can have a good night. Let's see if we can salvage tonight. Let's see if we can spend more money to salvage tonight. Okay?
All of the story, guys.
I ordered a bottle of tequila.
He's smart about how you're spending your money.
4 bills.
This is the guy having a time of his life.
Try salvage tonight and go somewhere else.
Basically, took the club driver out for a free ride.
Have a good night.
No. We're going right. We need to go right.
I just got robbed.
Alright, we need to go right.
No, we're gonna jump out here. Forget
Okay.
that. We're gonna wait here for 4 bills. I better have a good night for 4 bills. Relax. But don't. No. Colombia.
No.
Sí, jalo otra vez en mi casa. Deme, ¿cuánto?
De nada.
Espera para mí, porfa.
Cajero, ya, cajero.
Ok, se espera.
Esperar cajero.
Espera. Amigo, trust.
I told that boy he gonna try to exploit you.
Confía en mí. ¿Entiendes?
Right now,
Confía en mí.
Pero yo no puedo.
PayPal?
the cab driver,
Okay, PayPal, how much?
even though
Now I'm gonna
we
pay
pay for his owner,
Pay
he would like some more money.
Now I'm gonna
So
pay
in
you
Colombia, they will try and take
15.
your money.
¿Cuánto?
Even when you pay the money,
No, I
they will
ain't
try
paying
and
that.
stretch
How
your
much?
generosity. You know what I'm saying?
Mírame, show
You
me.
need to know what you're doing, man. You need to know what you're doing. My boy here,
Because I would just walk out and leave you right here and you won't get
he
nothing.
makes a lot of erratic decisions. Then he faces the consequences. He handles it like a man. He handles it like a man. That's the truth. He handles it like a man. You know?
Sí, escúchame.
But we're here again, man. You know? Money day, what works.
Okay. So,
Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think.
make sure you check. Because
What's
if
your
it's mucho
experience like in
dinero,
Colombia?
sí, man, pay.
5 minutes later.
The cab driver tried to exploit us. He dropped us off now. First of all, he said 300 pesos. Alright, cool, no problem. That's calm. We'll do that. Went to go pay the 300 pesos. Guy turned around and said, no, I want $50 US.
Oh, man. No, man.
I said, wait, what? Obviously, I never organized this excursion. No, I never organized it. But I don't mind. But listen, $50 US when we sponsored your whole night. Come on, man. This is what I'm saying to you. This is what I'm trying to say to you. They will take your generosity and stretch it. You know what I'm trying to say? You know what you're into, man. Know what you're up to. That's the truth. In the life of this guy just doing the most, man. Come.
Yeah, fake dice, bro. When I rolled it, I got 5 on the 1. When I rolled it, I got 5 on the 1. No, bro.
No, amigo.
I give you a cup. Bro, give the dice out my face. I don't care about that, bro. Stop doing that. I don't care. No, I don't care. Stop that. You want a drink? I'll give you a drink. But stop fucking rolling dice in my face. Stop doing that. So get us, bebida? Yeah. Cup up. Go get a cup. Go get a cup. I'll give you some. I ain't give you no money with no fake dice. Man. Six. No way. 6. Yeah. Total 6. 6.
¿Quieres ver el partido?
Everyone doing the 6. Get out of here, man. Everyone. Yo. Mucho 6. 6. These niggas finna get hustle me. 6. Solo 6, ¿no? Solo 6. ¿Por qué no 2? ¿Por qué no 2? 3. 1. 2. 4. 5. 15. No me pagues. Yo. ¿Por qué no 10? Alright, paying you none.
4:39. We're still on the strip.
Yeah, we got bumped. Yeah, so you tell me. We got bumped. And you know, like it's just burning my soul. Like, I wouldn't even mind if I spent £400 to have a good time with my cousin. And we're just chilling. But we didn't even have that much of a good time. We just sat there looking stush. Every girl that came over to us was like, yeah, hello, yeah, thank you, no, thank you. You know what I mean? Every girl came over like, yeah, hello, no, thank you. £400 for that. I'm telling you this, we're living in a real fucking pandemic. When you pay £400 for that, that means the club is in desperate need of making some serious dough. Yeah, some serious dough. But I'll tell you this, the market's crashing. I'm due to go back home and make that money back on Bitcoin, so I ain't gonna sweat it. I really ain't gonna sweat it. Trust me.
I'm gonna go back and do some press-ups.
Listen, I paid £300 here for a flight because he told me to book the flight weeks before, and I never booked it. And then the night before when he arrived, I went to book it at £300. Like, fuck, the flight should have cost like £30-40. So I had to book it and I made it back. So I'll make it back again. It's not a problem. But this is for people that understand the fact that, you know, not everyone's a trader, bro. Most people work a 9 to 5, bro. You gotta understand. If you're working a 9 to 5,
your budget is different.
You can't afford to just throw away £400. So if you come to Colombia, don't be jumping in no yellow. Don't listen to no one recommending you to go nowhere. Simple as that.
Simple. You get in an Uber, and that's the safest option.
Go where you need to go and go home. Don't be listening to no one talking about mucho listo. Yeah, mucho chicas. Bullshit. Man tried to tell me I gotta pay him for the time that he spent with me drinking the alcohol that I bought him and smoking the fucking shisha that I bought him, like he's some fucking escort. Shut up, man. I have to slam his door. You know how you like to slam doors? I have to slam his door. Let him know.
Don't slam my door.
To let him know. You see me knocking.
Money day.
Yeah. You know the vibes. It's lit side. If you're watching this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. It's lit side. Colombia, Medellin. You know, if we're back home, we say Medellin because we think we know something about. No, we don't. It's Medellin. Yeah? But listen, we need to jump on a plane. Me and Cuzzy might go to, San Andreas. Go to some places where the views is just nice. Man ain't come here for no girls. So man don't mind going somewhere where the views is just nice. What's that place called? Guapata.
Oh yeah.
Guapata. To get more interesting because we need to go and do some serious lifestyle shit. So if you're looking at this,
Comuna.
if you're looking at this and you're thinking about coming here, come here, experience it yourself, and you realise life is for the living. Yeah.
And we are back inside, man. It's nice to be back. Trust me. We're just gonna shower up, you know, get ready for bed, chill off, all that type of stuff there, man. Just lock in for tomorrow, recharging, wake up and then we'll go again. One cool feature this Airbnb has. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Shit, proper. Anyway, you already know what time it is, man. Make sure you get your rest in. I'll see you soon.
Hey.